Okay, guys, we're going to talk about how to post a video blog post using Divi and WordPress. So as you can see here, Amy's created a blog post. She has her title, her meta information, her featured image, and her video with the copy down here. And this is, people can leave the featured image in here, but I'm going to show you that there's a much better way to do this because this actually doesn't look very good. So let's come back over here and take a look at the back end of everything that's going on. So she's in a standard WordPress page right now, and she's got her embed code right here, which you can see. You can get your embed code directly from YouTube. And then she's got her copy, and then down here she's got her featured image. And that's part of the problem that's going on here is the featured image is being displayed along with the video, and it doesn't look good. So some of you might say, well, why don't we just get rid of the featured image altogether and that'll solve the problem? And while it would solve the problem on this page, what it doesn't do, it doesn't solve the problem on where the blogs are being displayed. As you can see here, having a featured image makes the blog post look very much more desirable to read. Whereas if you have a blog post without a featured image, it just kind of looks like a news column looking for a job somewhere back in the 60s. So having that featured image is actually something that's really good to have. So let's go see how we're going to change this from a regular WordPress blog post to a Divi blog post. The first thing that you're going to want to do is click on the Divi button and convert this to Divi. So now that you have it converted to Divi, we're going to add a couple of pieces here. Let's take a look at what Divi has done. So Divi took the content and put it right inside here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come over to text and we're going to remove the embed code right here. Now I'm not sure where Amy got that embed code from. I highly recommend that you use the one from YouTube, and I'll show you what that looks like here in just a second. So now we have the copy here. We're going to go ahead and click on the plus sign, and we're going to go to the code module, and we're going to add the code module. So now that we have the video code module, we're going to slide it up. The other thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that there's a titling across the top, and we've got to tell the system what to do with the featured image. So we're going to come over here and we are going to click the plus sign. We're going to add a post module. So let's come down to the bottom. Okay, we're going to click on that. Now, right now it's showing the feature image and the video. We actually only want the video. So we're going to go to elements and we're going to tell it no featured image right here. Now you can also go through and tell it all of this other information, whether you want it on or off in your blog post. And that includes dates, authors, and everything. For now, we're just going to leave it the way it is. So now we're going to drag the post title up to the top. Let's go ahead and hit update and see what we've got going on so far. Okay, so here's our post title with our meta information. Here's our featured image. Here's our post title again with meta information and our video. So what happened here? Well, what happened here is we have to tell Divi that we don't need the WordPress stuff. So we're going to come over here and in this bar right here, and this is the reason I did it this way, is because this is what everybody forgets to do. Once you've converted the post to Divi, Divi has to know what to do with the WordPress stuff. So where it says post title, we're going to hide the normal WordPress post title and meta information. That's all we have to do is change post title to hide and hit update. And the reason we're hiding that, because we have this post title right here, which we have much more control over what elements can be displayed. Whereas the WordPress elements are all up into here and they have to be displayed differently from a different area. We get to control it at the post level. So now it gets rid of all of that. We have our title, we have our post meta here, then we have our video, and then we have our copy here. Now, the reason that I recommend using the YouTube embed code is because YouTube has a lot more power of what's going on and being displayed here with a variety of different devices and screen sizes. And it's pretty simple too. You just come over to your YouTube video, you just click the share button and then you click embed right here. And then here's the code that you need to embed into the code module that we just created earlier, and you can just hit the copy button. But you also have the ability to start in certain areas. You can add in a couple of different features.